Hi Mr. and Mrs. Hutt, it's Cheryl from Starting Skoda in Worcester. Hopefully this may shed a few pieces of information for you for the trip computer. Hopefully I'm going to do everything that you're asking for. If not, then please let me know and I'll try to get something sorted for you. If not, we may need you to pop back in. So depending on what information you've got on the screen here, this is a similar layout to the Superb. You can change the view depending on what information that you want with using the arrow buttons here. So as you can see here, we've got the two dials. Now, depending on which screen you've got, again, you've got this information that you can change either side. So if I just go back to the one that he's on, and then if you press the silver button, you'll see these little green arrow buttons. So on the first one, if you scroll up or down and keep going until you get to, you've got, that is your instant MPG. And it also gives you the kilowatts for the battery as well for what you're using power-wise. If it's changing the trip computer from since start, since refuel and long term, again, push the scroll button in until you get the green arrows. Go into where you can see the average, you can see there, or if it says long term or since start, and then you press the right button here, which will bring up your menu. Then you can use the scroll button to choose long term or since refuel, and you can reset them as well. So his is on start. You can have long term, and then if you press the back arrow button, it will then show average MPG long term. But to change it, once the green arrow buttons are up, which you bring up by pressing the silver button here, pushing it in, the green arrow buttons will show. Press the right arrow button, and then you can chop and change from since start, long term and refuel. Hopefully that helps. And then if you want the instant MPG, just keep going up and down on the silver roll button until you get to the information that you want. And if it is the instant MPG that you was after, it will show in there. And irrelevant of which design you've got, if I just show you on another layout. So again, the information down the bottom, if you push the silver scroll button in, you then get the arrow buttons, and then you can scroll up or down, or if there's an arrow button to the right, you press the right button here, and that will allow you to go in and change the settings. Well, I hope this helps for you, and if you need me for anything else, you know where I am. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.